got me onion rings, got myself. Now I'm going to Lucy's. Actually, do you know, I'm gonna run. I'm actually weird. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. Today I'm doing a vlog, and yeah, I'm doing a vlog. I'm going to do a vlog of like the half term. Hello everybody, welcome back to Lucy's Corner of the Internet. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm an actual weirdo, I'm sorry.
Scat man! Ew.
Anyway, now I'm with Lucy, and then later on we're gonna go with Naomi. As always guys, we're in Primark.
We're in Starbucks, and this is scary, but we see sunglasses.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today I went out with Lucy, and then we went out with Naomi. Tomorrow is a party, so yeah guys, so it is Lucy's birthday today, and yeah, I'm gonna meet Naomi and we're gonna walk to her house and we're gonna go out. Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog with Naomi.
Hi!
It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday!
And I have not vlogged in so long.
It's Lucy's birthday!
It's Lucy's birthday! Happy birthday! We love you so much.
Yeah, we do. Happy birthday! It's my birthday, everyone.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We're doing a get ready with me on Lucy's channel, so go check that out.
You're gonna say dirt. And welcome back to my little corner of the internet. So today we are going to be filming a get ready with me with my two best friends. This is not okay because I'm gonna work mine.
Hold on, hon. I'm so scared.
I knew it!
See, sis, go get the merch. Link in the eye. My lipstick is crusty.
Oh god, cross. I hate opera.
Hi fam. We've been to Lush.
Hi!
And I got a vegan sausage roll. Not from Lush, obviously, but from Greg's.
And I brought now something really hot on my teeth, so my teeth are like feeling really weird.
Hi.
I've literally got no footage.
You can buy some online if you want. We're going to Primark, which is our favourite shop in the world.
Not really.
We're going to go to the home section. We're going to buy some more pillows because we love a good pillow.
I'm gonna get some jump. I actually get a pillow. I love the pillow. I just touched someone's hand.
Oh.
That's disgusting. They're really, really good.
I'm raining again.
It's just not a nice colour.
We're in the reductions.
Oh yeah. We're in the sales section. It's poor.
Don't offend my eels.
Oh look, you get a big old shirt. That is so nice. That's only £12. We do not agree with that.
That's £2.50 that.
That's £2.50.
Oh!
Yes, we love this.
I love that there's people watching church. Hi. £3. It's not big.
I just inhaled an ice cube.
Should I get some jelly nails and see what they're like?
That's a big old tub.
That's a big old tub. Ow! She just attacked me. Yo guys, what's up? We are finally out of Primark. T-sis, go buy the merch. It's raining, fam.
Look how I'm so red.
Yeah, we're currently in Tesco's with these rats. We're on our way home. Welcome to my first impressions. These are the shade names, guys. So yeah, guys, this is the palette. It looks.
I think it's the thing that I got rid of in my drawer was literally socks. Look at my look at my sock drawer.
These are the shade names.
Don't tell me
Ow! So guys, these are the shades. So I'm just gonna swatch a few of my favourites.
Why do you?
Back off! Sick. I look disgusting. Time is going home and I have 1% on my phone. And basically my phone's gonna die, so bye. I'm absolutely soaking wet, guys.
We're going to be doing hide and seek.
I'm gonna seek first, guys. So guys, we're gonna start.
So I'm hiding in this bush. Everything. He's literally in that bush.
Let's go.
I'm so nervous because I think he knows where I am. But I'll keep you updated. This is so scary, guys.
Hi again, guys. I don't know where we could be. Don't think he's in these tunnels. I think he could be around here.
Apparently just moved spot.
I found him. No, he's escaping. Damn it, I lost him. Guys,
I just escaped him. I wearing this like whole thing. And he saw me. So he came up behind me. And flipping, looked behind me. I was like, I literally saw him and ran. And now I've literally just found the spot.
damn it, he's escaped.
There was that white thing right there.
Can't find him, guys. I found him. Run! Right, guys, I'm hiding, and Jasper is seeking. Let's go. Guys, this is my hiding space. In there. Let's get in.
So I just counted to 40 right now. Just checking where I was before though.
Guys, I don't know how well of a hiding space this is. I think he's gonna find me. And pretty soon as well. I think I heard him walk past me.
I might just wait in here. See if he comes in.
Oh my god, this is probably the most uncomfortable hiding space I've ever hided in. Guys, this is really uncomfortable. I think it's time to move. Guys, I heard him. He's coming for me.
So everyone, I think I can see him.
We're going up here, guys. I think I'm safe again. I'm in the trees. I don't know where he is, guys. I'm gonna run for it. He's right behind me. He's right there, guys. Oh no. That failed. Right, guys, we finished playing hide and seek. Yo guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm about to film a video and my bed is an absolute mess. Go check out my video, link in the eye. Thank you, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm currently on my way to go meet Lucy because Naomi is away right now. So me and Lucy are going to go out for the day, going to London, so that's going to be sick. try them out.
Nothing's like nice.
Welcome back.
I haven't filmed since we got off the tube on the way here.
We went to Starbucks. And now we're going home. Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hi guys. Anyway, Lucy has left me